Today we're going to be making the Sportster S sound like it always should have. And yes, my voice is still gone, but don't worry, you're not going to have to listen to it a ton. We're going to be mostly listening to the exhaust today. So guys, I linked up with a local company called Rowdy Exhaust, and they sent their exhaust out for us to do an install on this bike. And if it sounds anything like their website sounds, this bike is going to sound absolutely insane. Actually, let me just show you guys. All right, I think this is a before and after video. That's stock. Right? Jesus. So guys, the way this video is going to work today is we're going to go for a quick ride on the Sportster S just so you guys can hear what the bike sounds like as it is right now from stock. Then when we come back, while the bike is cooling down, we'll do an unboxing of the Rowdy exhaust. We'll take the old exhaust off, put the new Rowdy exhaust on, and then we'll go do all of those sound checks. And of course, what would an exhaust video be without the flybys that we'll do later in the video? Now, let's get into it because we obviously have a lot going on today, and let me show you guys how pathetic this bike sounds stock. Also, if you guys are new here, this is WBR Garage, my show where I do in-depth videos on motorcycles, and then at the end of the season, I actually give it away. If you guys want to get a chance at winning this motorcycle, you can get entries over at WBRgarage.com. This is our Season 8 motorcycle, and we are starting off strong. So, the earlier you get in, the more entries you can get, which means the better chance you have at winning this motorcycle when we are done with it. Any information you guys need is on the website, so go check it out. And let's get into this video. Guys, the bike is bone stock, so we're gonna crank it up and just let it warm up for a second. All right, I'm gonna let it warm up now. All right, guys, that's probably long enough. Let's see what she sounds like. As you can see, does not sound great. So let's go for a ride and we'll see how she sounds on the road, and then we'll get this sounding better. Alrighty guys, we've let the engine chill off, and it's cool to the touch now, so we're going to get the OEM exhaust out of here. I wasted my damn voice. We haven't done the unboxing yet. I'm being dead ass, this is the only voice I have. What the f***? So guys, earlier this year, the owner of Rowdy Exhaust reached out to me over Instagram, I think, and it was the typical email I get from a load of companies saying, you should try out their product. Now, once he showed me the exhaust and I got to hear how it sounded and looked, I was all about it. Then we start talking about shipping addresses, and we freaking find out that he's literally less than 30 minutes away from me. This isn't some massive exhaust company. This is some small made in America type product from a guy that really just loved his own Sportster S and just wanted to make something that he he wanted for his own bike, which I honestly think is the coolest way a company can start. Oh, he sends the installation guide. That's awesome. Bro, even the tool guide. He literally breaks down every tool you need. Holy crap. Oh, that's gonna be sick. Okay. Dude's even got a patch. How cool is that? What an intricate piece of stuff right here. This is fantastic. The detail of giving me gloves. I love that. All right. Alright guys, as y'all can see, the OEM exhaust is off. Nothing really to report as far as how hard it was. It was a pretty simple process compared to other exhausts we've installed. Just, you know, follow us along on all the clips we showed you guys. And as long as you have all the tools that are laid out in the Rowdy Exhaust little installation manual, you'll have everything you need to remove the stock exhaust. So now we are going to get to install this new one and see how pretty we can make this side, because that other one was ugly. Let's start the install. Okay guys, exhaust is fully installed. Obviously we have a little things to button up yet, but oh my goodness, can we all golf clap on how phenomenal this exhaust looks. I don't care if it sounds like it looks fantastic. So I'm gonna get the radiator buttoned up, gonna get seat back on, fairing installed, and then we're gonna get this thing rolled outside, do a cold start, then we get to go do the flybys. This has been awesome. Just as a note, we did have a little bit of a hard time getting the front pipe connected to the mid pipe. So what we did was we took a big set of pliers and we grabbed the little flanges on the mid pipe. We didn't bend them a lot, but like we just gave them a little pressure on each end just to open it up a little bit, and we were able to slide this into here a lot easier. and that allowed us to get the whole thing together. And then we just used a rubber mallet, just medium hitting around this area, and that pushed them together, and I was able to tighten all the sides. That was really the only kind of hard part of all of that. I wasn't sure how much we could bend those out, but it really didn't take a lot of pressure to get those going. So that was the only hard part. The other slightly hard part was this O2 sensor was super easy to get to. The one up in here, because of this weird shaping, was a little harder. So I have these really thin wrenches, and what I ended up doing was tightening it by hand after kind of like counter threading it out. So I threaded it in as much as my hand could, and then I got the wrench up into here, tightened it some, and then to finish that tightening from this side, got it tight enough for me to get up under here and gave me enough purchase to pull it the rest of the way. So those were the only kind of hard parts, but overall really, really solid install. So we're gonna get this finished up so we can all hear what this thing sounds like, because it should sound pretty sick. So let's get finished up real quick, and we'll get the bike rolled outside and we can hear this thing. Hold your ears, fam. No way. No freaking way. May it be noted, we need a new battery. But let it be noted, holy shit. For the respect of my neighborhood, I'm not going to rev it up. May it also be known that this is what this bike should sound like. I know Harley can't because OEMs have to do bull crap with emissions. But can we all just appreciate the aftermarket exhaust company? My God. Maybe a little bit, just a little. We're not Bro, I don't know how loud this is, but we are not revving it here at my house. We'll rev it at the church. Oh, that sounds terrible. We're gonna go do the flybys now and the riding. Oh my God.
Guys, I might not be able to talk, but I can damn sure hear, and that thing sounds like a freaking monster. Oh my God. Cannot believe that the Sportster S can sound like that. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. And if you guys want to win the Sportster S, go to top link in the description. That's wbrgarage.com. Without the members over there, we would not be able to bring you guys cool builds like this and give bikes away. I'm Chaseontwowheels, outro crew. Thank you for getting to the end of the video. Let me know what you think about that exhaust in the comments down below. I'll see you guys on the next video. Holy sh**.
Let's get the Osmo, because we'll have to do it top down. F me, it's gone. The whole thing is gone. You're still fuck. Dude, this is the worst it's been. It's there we go. Got it back. Nailed it. Let's get the